Yes people, you know what it is. It's Anthony Allen Edits YouTube channel. My name's Anthony Allen and this YouTube channel is all about your video editing hints, tips and tricks on Final Cut Pro X and software like Final Cut Pro X, as well as products that I find online, give you my first account review and also give you a discount for if you watch the video through all the way to the end. Here in this video, we're about to see if we can get rid of noise within a video media clip within 30 seconds. Let's have a look. Okay, so here we are in my chosen editing platform for this task, Final Cut Pro X. We're going to zoom in here, and this is what I'm talking about with video noise. Normally happens in a low lighting setting. As you can see, that fuzziness all over the shot, just destroying the shot in a low light setting. That's what we're going to get rid of here in this video. So we're going to find, you can't see my search bar at the bottom, but we are just going to search for noise reduction. Time is ticking. I've just started it. Let's start the timer. So let's see if this is going to complete the process of getting rid of this noise within this low light setting shot. As you can see, those are the settings that I've got for the noise reduction filter, and at the moment it's still rendering. As you can see here, you can see where it's rendering and what percent it's on. If I move my mouse, you will find that it actually stops rendering. So that is one of the problems that we're facing with trying to get this done within 30 seconds. But we're going to solve this. So we've unsuccessfully done it so far. Cue the sound. We didn't complete it. But we're going to see if we can actually do this task. We're going to find out another way. So what we need to do now is we need to make a change so that it begins to render all over again. And we've got a fair shot of trying to get this done within 30 seconds. So first, before we change anything, let's look at what's happening to the shot. So every part of this clip is showing noise. It's showing that it's not completely got rid of that fuzziness that we want to get rid of. So now, to keep things fair, I'm going to pause the rendering, make a change, and we've just skipped forward to where I've actually made a change. So let's get on with it. First, we're going to actually, because I've paused the rendering, I'm going to select the clip, and now I'm going to render my selection. So let's start the timer from this point. Okay, so 30 seconds is rolling. What we've made a change on is not much really. I've literally just made the filter a little bit stronger and left the sharpening where it is. So it should get rid of more of the video noise. But as you can see, from the highlighted bar that I'm showing you now, the rendering is not going quick enough. So now after 2 attempts, I'm thinking, what should we do differently? I think what we should do is go into the workspaces and get rid of stuff. So we've just got rid of the inspector, and I'm also going to make my clips seem smaller on the timeline. That gives my CPU less things to focus on. And I'm also going to stop moving the mouse so that it can render quicker. And look at that, look at that, look at that. It's running, it's sprinting, it's sprinting. If we were to time that, I would say that would be 30 seconds. And I even applied it to the maximum as well, because when I made a change, that was the change that I made. I made the filter stronger. So look at that. I don't even need to put a timer on the last bit, because you can blatantly see that that was less than 30 seconds for that to render that out. So there we have it. If you want to get rid of any video noise within your clip and you've got Final Cut Pro X, that's how you can do it quickly. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos.